Stickman videos are going extremely viral right now. First, take a look at this channel. It has over 173K subscribers and earns around 12.7K per month. As you can see, it uploads Stickman videos. Similarly, this channel has 55K subscribers, and there are many other channels that create Stickman videos and get millions of views. You can also make videos exactly like these, grow your channel, and get monetized. We'll use a free AI tool to create these videos. So, let's get started and see how you can make these viral Stickman videos in just 2 minutes for free. First, open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, copy all of the prompts. Simply copy my prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you paste it, wait a few seconds and everything will be ready. Once the prompt is ready, just type, "Give me 8 image prompts and video prompts with a 150-word story." As soon as you enter this, ChatGPT will generate a 150-word story along with image prompts and video prompts. As you can see, all the image prompts and video prompts have been generated. Next, open Faceless. After opening Faceless, copy and paste the image prompts one by one. Once you paste all the image prompts, the images will be generated, and you can see that the image quality is very good. Now, to create videos, we will use a website called popvid.ai. It is an amazing website that gives you 200 credits, allowing you to create up to 20 videos per day. These credits refresh daily, and you can also use another email address to get another 200 credits. Go to Create, select Video, upload the image, and paste the first video prompt. As soon as you paste the prompt, your video will start generating. You can see that the video has started. In the same way, upload another image and paste its corresponding prompt, and the second video will start generating as well. Repeat this process for all the images and video prompts. Upload all the images, paste the prompts, and your videos will be ready. This is how you can create videos for free. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.